Hello guys, look, this is the feed field and I'm here in the Runikkata, that means near the kantalmari, because I'm just came out here to buying fish. Still I'm waiting for the fish seller person at this time. Look, and around this place only you can able to see only feed field, guys. Look, and this place is surrounded by the only feed fields. Look, they they all are the rice plant, guys. Look, and at this time the weather is very cool and lovely and very enjoyable moment, guys. Look, beautiful, and clouds are also very clear, guys. Look, and this is the road we can go at Kantalmari with this road. Look, here also small bridge. Look, you can see here beautiful house also, guys. Look, there are so many Adivasi houses. Look, this is the Adivasi village located in under the Runikkata district, guys. Look, beautiful. What a beautiful environmental, guys. Look, and the weather's very tranquility and peaceful, guys. Look, beautiful place, guys. I'm really enjoying at this time. Look how rice plant are becoming so beautiful. Within September and October it will be blooming and will get rice shit. Anyway guys, thank you. Till then, bye.